Good morning, my name is Adrian and I would like to show you the application I have been developing during these weeks. It's called AppShare and its main goal is to promote exchange of goods without economic intervention. Okay, so let's start. Okay, when I as a user enter the first time to the application, I will see a main menu with several options. Okay, but the principal screen is the login screen, and I can go to the registration as a user. Okay, I go to the register. Okay, so I put my name, John, email, John at appshare.com, John, and register. Okay. Okay, the next step will be the login. I know I could directly join login, but I don't have time. Okay, so login. John AppShare.com. John. If I made an error, okay, have an error. John, login. Okay, so I'm access to the application, and then we have access to the main menu. The main menu is AppShare, my exchanges, and my profile. AppShare is the main screen where all the exchanges that match with the user profile are shown. Because of I don't have profile yet, no exchanges are shown. So we should go to the profile to indicate what are my needs and what type of things I can offer and the place where to exchange. My profile. Okay, so this is an screen with 3 tabs, one tab for needs, offerings, and places. Okay, I can go swiping. Okay. So I introduce a new need. Okay. And I'm going to indicate that I need books or comics and that I live in Palma de Mallorca. As you see, I implemented a tree of categories in the database. It would have been ideal to provide a searching within categories, but I have no time. So where is books and comics? Okay, books and comics. Accept. I can see that my need is books and comics, and I go to places and I introduce that I live in Palma de Mallorca. Okay, let's go to the places. And then I can find places. Palma. Okay, go. And then you could see Palma and a range of kilometers. I can change this range. I can decrement it. Okay. To indicate the area where I want to change, I can put a label to the place, my home. Okay. Select. Okay, and see my home. So when I go to the main screen, the exchange locator, AppShare, the exchanges appears. Okay, I have introduced other exchanges in Madrid and Barcelona away from Palma, and do not appear because searches are done geolocated. I use an extension of PostgreSQL called PostGIS that allows insert geometries into the records of the database and search them by distance. So when I search, I have the profile of the user and I search by distance of the location. Okay, when I click in one exchange, I can see the description of the exchange. Okay, and a summary of the user profile who posts the exchange. Okay, and I have two options: message and exchange. I can request an exchange because it's very interesting, or begin a conversation with the owner. Let's start a conversation. Okay. That's the chat screen. When we can see in the header the object to exchange. Okay. And the users involved in the exchange. I can get the full user profile to see the title of his history exchanges. Okay, so let's go. And I can see his name, members since March, rate, acceptance rate, response rate. He devoted for the community. Okay. I can write to the owner and I can introduce emoticons. Okay, sorry for the mistakes. Okay, so let's suppose that it's a very interesting exchange for me. So I want to exchange. Would you like to exchange with Adrian? Yes. Okay. If I return to the main menu and go to my exchanges, I see that I have a pending exchange. Okay. The exchange have a life cycle. Pendings because it is necessary that both parties respond to the request. Until they do, it remains in this state. Okay. The accepted. Okay. If both parties have pressed the exchange button, the exchange passed to the accepted exchange state. Now our exchange of the book is still pending because the other party has not yet said nothing. Okay? Rejected. Just that either party rejects the exchange to be eliminated to the exchange request and pass to the rejected tab. And when you spend several days in a pending state, the status of the request is updated and becomes expired. It is like rejected status, but are taken into account to calculate the ratio of response of the user. Okay? So I want to exchange with Adrian, and I'm going to log in as Adrian. So in settings, I put the login screen to facilitate the login. So Adrian is user 1 and AppShare.com user login. Okay, so if I go to my exchanges, I see a pending request, well, several pending requests, okay, but the second one is the change that I have created, okay. It will be nice to get push notifications, but I have no time, sorry. Okay, then I can also write to the message. Okay, John write to me hello. Okay, let's change. Okay, and press to the exchange button with John. Yes. Okay, so when I go to the exchange screen, I can write a review of the user. Usually this review will be filled after the completion of the exchange and can write how it went, if the object was as expected, the quality of the product, etc. You can also give a summary, okay, score, and if you would like to exchange him again. All this information is used to build statistics and display them in the user profile. Okay? So the last thing I want to show you is the introduction of an exchange. Okay? So let's go to the main menu and giving the plus button, I can introduce a new exchange. Okay. This screen is integrated with the camera to upload photo of the object to be exchanged. So when I click, I can make a photo. Okay, it's a very bad photo, sorry. Okay, the title, I think, description, there's a category, okay, books, accept, okay, done. And this is the new exchange. Okay, so that was it. I hope you like it. Thank you very much for your time and see you soon.